Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can connect your Google account with your account on Consensus AI. So let us guide you through this. So head over to your account on Consensus AI. And then guys, what you want to do is click into your profile icon in the bottom left, navigate to settings. Here click into account on the left hand side, switch to profile here. And here guys, you will see a list of all of your connected accounts. So you can be connected with one Google account here on Consensus AI. So as you can see, I've already done that, but if you haven't done it yet guys, you may do that by clicking into this button below. And if you haven't done it yet, you will see Google available here. So click into it, and on the next page, Consensus AI will ask you for permission to be linked with your Google account. So if you want to do that, grant the permission. And after that, Google or your Google account will be listed here. You can also use Facebook for that if you like, so that you may use Google to log into your account here in Consensus. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.